What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are currently en route to the dealership right now, going in for new rotors and brake pads. I actually just had them changed in October, but my silly self, I got new brake pads and then immediately went to No Fly Zone. If you're not familiar with that, it's a half-mile racing event, and I probably did 20 to 30 runs. And at the end of the half-mile strip, you have to brake pretty hard. So imagine doing that 20 to 30 times over and over again. I warped the rotors, so we're getting those changed out right now. If you're interested in that video, it was really fun. They don't care if you bring a fast car or a slow car. For example, we know the LC isn't winning a ton of races. It's very heavy, it doesn't have enough power, but people still come over and really want to talk about the car, you know. Plus a lot of LC owners don't do stuff like that with their cars, so I thought it was pretty cool to bring it out, and everybody loved it. So here's an example of some of the fun you can expect in that video if you want to go back and watch it. After this video, I'll show you what the price is, since I'm only going to be paying labor. My dealership is mod friendly, so I can bring in any parts, including even tires. I don't have to go through them for tires, and they will install it, and I only pay labor. So I'll update you guys when we get to the dealership and see what loaner car we get as well. All right, so the loaner that I asked for was the RZ. I don't mind driving electric cars. I don't prefer them, but I think they're fun here and there to switch up from driving the V8 and wasting all that gas. Not too bad. They're nice and torquey too, so they make it a little fun. And I can just plug it in when I get home, so it's cool. So I'll get to enjoy this for a few hours and come back and pick my car up. We are currently en route to the dealership to pick up the LC. Just got new brake pads, Project Moo brand, put on the car, and some new OEM front rotors. Usually this job, if you let the dealership supply all the parts, is like, I think $1,400 to $1,600 for the front brake and rotors, brake pads and rotors. So I'm going to show you how to save a little bit of money on that. So there are two places that you can buy your stuff from online and save a lot of money. So typically the LC500 rotors alone cost $595 each. So going to these places, you can save a lot of money. So the first place is going to be Bell Lexus. That's going to be in North Scottsdale, Arizona. And then the second place is going to be Ramsey Lexus over in New Jersey. So if you're on the West Coast, use Bell Lexus. If you're on the East Coast, use Ramsey. They both offer up to $100 off of shipping costs. So it's very possible that you get your order for free shipping. Now, on top of that, they are usually like 26 or 27% off all parts on the Lexus website. But if you go around holiday times, any big federal holidays, you can get 40% off of all OEM parts. I'm talking rear differentials, engines, exterior parts, interior parts. And sometimes even you can check randomly and they'll just randomly be having a deal that's 40% off. And this is for all Lexus making models, not just the Lexus LC. So make sure you check out those websites and get your parts from there. You can save a lot more money if you buy online as well and just go to a third-party dealership or shop that will install these parts for you as well and save even more money on labor. So I'm about to head to the dealership, or we're about to get to the dealership right now. So I'll update you guys with the price and show you the receipt that they give me. All right, so just focusing on this top section here. This is for the pads and the rotors being changed over. I'm not sure why it says resurfaced, but we did install brand new OEM rotors. I didn't have the shim kits. That did not come with the Project Moo pads, so they had to order them for me. Here's the part number for the shim kits. $80, they're bending you over. You can find these for $40 online all day. I didn't know that I needed them. I didn't actually really check, or else I would have bought them and saved $40 more. And if you were to go to those two websites that I mentioned, when they were doing 40% off, you would get this for even cheaper than $40. So yeah, here is the labor that they charge for replacing the front pads and the rotors, $280. So there you have it, in case you want to take it to a dealership or get an even cheaper labor if you take it to a third-party shop. So we got these Project Moo pads on right now. Let's do some driving around back home and see how they feel. right, so these are the Project Mu. I think they're the NS Type C pads. If I'm wrong, then I'll put that on the screen. These are supposed to give the same amount of braking feel as the stock pads, but they produce way less dust. So we'll see if that theory is true. If you drive a LC or any of the Lexus F vehicles, you know just how much dust the stock OEM pads give. So that's what we're trying to have. Same braking power, less dust. And these are way cheaper than the OEM pads. I think the OEM pads are a couple $100, and I got these for, I'm gonna say 70 or 80 shipped to the US from Japan. So once again, another way to save a lot more money. Yeah, so we'll keep this video nice and short. I hope you guys now know where you can buy your OEM Lexus parts for any Lexus model for a lot cheaper than just trying to buy it in store. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll be able to provide any information that I can. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Catch you in the next episode. Peace.